how to change the application language of the UTS mobile application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can change the application language for your UTS mobile application. So as here you can see, I have this UTS mobile application currently downloaded on my Android phone, or the steps are also the same if you are having an Android or iOS devices. So and let's start. So the first thing that you will need to do is open your UTS mobile application like this, and once the UTS mobile application launches, you will be greeted with an interface like this. Now in this home page or of this interface, you can see this language change button at the top right corner. Once you will click onto this, you will get a list of all the available languages. So by default it is in English, or if you want to change it, you can choose Hindi, Bengali, or other languages like Marathi and Tamil Telugu as well. So you can choose any language as per your preference. So for example, if I choose Hindi, you can see that the language has been successfully changed, just like Marathi and for other languages as well. So this is how easily you can change the language of your UTS mobile application. So that was all for this simple and easy tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.